Hi, this is Jill Swan from Spoontown, the largest gathering of spoon carvers in the south of England. I'm on the campsite here at Knowler Farm, and I wanted to talk to you about the eco aspect of the site. It's an organic field, and it will be and is growing wildflowers at the moment, and it's an important part of the ethos of the campsite owners. I want you all to bring your own cups, glasses, plates, bowls, mugs and cutlery and wash them up, and we'll be giving you a bag each, a rubbish bag, for you to put all your rubbish in and take home with you. So if you bring it, you can take it home again afterwards. It's a beautiful site, and we've got to keep it absolutely pristine and clean. Thank you. www.spoontown.co.uk. I hope you can join us in the summer.